is Ons the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something a little different. I know you're probably familiar with cup noodles. These are cup noodles. However, these are from Germany. They're cup noodles, soy sauce, shrimps, peppery shoyu soup, Asian blast. Asian blast. So, let's make it so. There is the line. So let's fill it up to the line. Fill it up to the rim with brim. Right? There we go. I don't have a lid. I do. I do have a lid. And I have a fork. Look at that. Look at that. That's just pretty. Alright. And we got a timer. So let's begin with doing our quote from the fine tome Momofuku Ando Speaks, book of quotes by the guy who invented instant noodles back in 1958. Now we're on number 153. In business, it is always more difficult. Whoa, I'm looking at 154 and it's a long one. Okay. In business, it is always more difficult to withdraw than to advance. If you miss the right timing to withdraw, you will spend the rest of your time floundering about in a quagmire. Good to know. Good weekend, bad weekend. I got a lot done this weekend. I put new lights on the stroller. Maybe I'll put that clip at the end of this. Oh, by the way, yesterday I had to switch out an episode to do this stuff. This is Asha dry noodle, and it's from Taiwan, and it was at Costco. I think by the time that this comes out, it'll be like March 4th, and I don't know if it'll still be there for Lunar New Year, Chinese New Year. So, yeah, I don't know, but yeah. So I had to switch the episode that was slated to come out yesterday. Wait a second. Yeah. I don't know. I changed. Yeah, I had to put that one out. The noodle one, that one I did out on the 19th, and then put the one that was supposed to come out on the 19th yesterday. So there you go. It's the 18th of January right now. Anyways, good weekend, bad weekend. Bad weekend, my wife got hit by a car, and she's in a lot of pain. There was no blood, no concussion, none of that stuff. She was turning into work, and where she does every day. So she's going and turning in, and there was a car coming with like plenty of room, and then they were just going way too fast. And we've got a Honda Odyssey. They've got a little beater 2004 Honda Civic. And they hit it and made it, like, knocked the Odyssey like 6 feet, set off the passenger airbags, knocked the wheel off of the axle. It's funny. It just looks like if you gave a kid a toy car and they were messing around and roughhousing with it and they bust the wheel off the car. That's what it looks like. But the cop and the tow guy were like, damn, they had to hit you. They must have been at a high rate of speed, because that thing in weight compared to the van is like nothing. Maybe like half or less. So, yeah, so we've got a loaner. We're still waiting to find out if they're just going to like total the van, which That thing's cursed, I swear to God, because it's like the second time it's been in an accident where people just like run into it. It's like, come on. That's not polite. This, however, is. This has a nice shrimp scent to it. That I can use. But yeah, it's a real bummer. I mean, going through that, she's pretty rattled still by it. I'm like, I wish I was there with you, but I always sit on the passenger side. And if I was there with her, the kids would have been there too, and that would have been, yeah. Something odd would have to be going on for us to be going to work with her. But anyways, guess we're gonna have to get a new vehicle. It is. What does it mean? Yeah, peppery. App title. It does have a pepperiness, like a peppery soy shrimp taste to it. The broth looks like it's got some color to it. Interesting. I like that. That's a pretty good. Yeah, okay. Now there's pictures of shrimp. Is that a shrimp? What is that? That's not shrimp. I am not seeing shrimp, but that's okay. This is decent. It is decent. I'll try one more bite. That's good. Fine German shrimp cup noodle. I'm sure a lot of you are like, German cup noodle? It's like, yeah, they built a factory in Hungary a while back. So there are varieties that are made for the local Hungarian market, and then there are ones that are made for Nissin Deutschland. So that's cool. Add this in. Tricky thing about shrimp is they like to hide a lot of the time. I'll just assume there's some shrimp bits in that. It tastes shrimpy. It's good. What do we got? Let's gussy this puppy up. But yeah, she's not, I mean, she didn't get like a concussion or anything like that, but she's like in a lot of pain from, you get in an accident. I was like, did you see it coming? She's like, oh yeah. I'm like, ugh. If you see something coming full steam towards you, what are you gonna do? You're gonna brace yourself, and when you do that super hard, that's when you end up hurting yourself. Well, I'm out of eggs currently, except for this here. Actually, this is what I was going to try today. These were made like almost a week ago. I wasn't planning on eating this anyways, so, but I want to have the egg look, don't I? It has the look of the egg, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, now it's got the look of egg, and it's gonna have some. No. Children are playing their tablets over there, making a loud buzzing noise. So that. What else was I gonna do? I'm just gonna use some regular old pepper flake on this. And some sesame seed. I think we're gonna be good. Yeah, those are fish and shrimp balls. That's where it's at. I love those things. Anyways, yeah. Good stuff coming out of Nissin Foods Germany. Thanks for shooting it over. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm especially stoked about tomorrow's review. Panda Signature Chicken. You know about this? You will tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.